as the Saint-Tropez, just to mark that we came to Saint-Tropez, and that is it. I don't really care about the Vanity Fair. It's just about ticking that box saying I've been to Saint-Tropez and been to Monaco. And ladies and gentlemen, that's what it looks like in the beautiful town of Saint-Tropez.
In my opinion, Saint-Tropez is much friendlier.
Yeah, here you have access to water, whereas over there you have buildings and it's just about luxury cars and everything. But here kind of seems a little bit warm, right? Like, papi.
I heard of this.
Okay. I wish I could make them speak English, but they would tell me that I should be the ones who speak French. What is this? Commando. Looks like they all came in this, the four guys. I'll say they smile less. The other thing I was talking about Italians, the reason why you get to Italy and then you immediately feel welcome.
They are more expressive.
And warmer, and a whole lot friendlier. Like, all I have to do in Italy is smile with a stranger. Immediately spark that connection. There's just something about Italians. Whereas in France right now, I've tried talking to like 5 people all together, and each time I try to spark a conversation with somebody, it's like almost worse than the Germans. Anyway, that's how it is. That's my experience. That no hard feelings. You got your buildings, you got locals, and we got a brother on there. Yo, that is it from a mile away, and that is it from up close.
Now there will be a lesson of French.
Once again,
The pêche de loisir. Like
the French, the bourgeoisie. Let's go. And there you have it. There you have it. So, hey, I'm not drinking anything because I'm driving, and as you can see, I'm slurring my word. I'm so dead tired. 1,500 still left to cover today, so better get going now. Otherwise, we'll be sleeping in another petrol station today, and I don't want that. Okay, so now we got Saint-Tropez under our belt. Now I can always say I've been there. It's just for a quick minute.
It always counts.
I greet a few people. One thing I noticed about the French, at least the few ones that I met so far in gas stations and wherever I go to, sorry France, but you're cold, all right? France was a little bit cold to me. Like a little bit reserved. I don't know if it's some. I don't know. You be the judge. I don't want to put words in anybody's mouth, but if people felt a little bit reserved compared to the Italians, for instance, right? So if you know the reason, or if you've ever been here before and you know the reason, or maybe you've actually felt that way before, let me know in the comment section. But the reception from France is a little bit weak. you know that 2 bars out of 5 bars you have in your phone? That feeling. Anyway, we're heading to Spain and we're gonna see how the Spaniards treat us. I feel like going to any town in Italy makes you want to just pack your load and say, yeah, this is it. I'm not coming back to Poland. Right? And of course, none of these cities can be compared to any place in Poland, so just thought I'd slide that in. Anyway, off to Spain.